Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of the Medik8 Lipid Balance Cleansing Oil. I picked this up a while back from cultbeauty and I have been using it on and off for quite a while, and I have definitely formed some thoughts. So that is what I will be sharing with you in today's video, but I will also share with you a demo of me using it to remove my makeup so you can have a better idea of how it works as a first cleanse, and I will do a quick ingredient analysis. If this sounds interesting to you, give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into it. So as I already said, I picked it up off of cultbeauty, but I believe this is available on all platforms that sell Medik8. It's not by any means a new product, but it is new to me. We are getting 140 ml and it retails for 27 pounds. Definitely the size of this is a little bit different from other cleansing oils. Usually they come in either 100 ml, 180 or 200. I've never seen 140 before. And the price is definitely up there, but that is the case with all Medik8 products. It says on the box that the box itself is recyclable and the packaging is recyclable. It comes in this really beautiful bottle with a pump, and the pump works really well. This oil claims to be able to remove all traces of makeup, including waterproof mascara and sunscreen film. It also says that it contains an optimized ratio of essential lipids to replenish the skin's surface. So this is supposed to cleanse your skin without compromising your skin barrier. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it says to apply it on dry skin, massage it into the face, and that's supposed to melt away makeup, and then rinse it off with warm water. I'm going to show you the demo first and give you my initial thoughts and then go through the ingredients. You will be seeing me right now on camera applying it on my skin. You can see I have a full face of makeup, and I would say I use around 2 to 3 pumps of this oil. It does spread quite nicely on the skin. It is very thin, so it's very spreadable. You know, with some balms, sometimes they are thick and you need to really work it into the skin to make it spread, but with this oil, you don't. It just spreads quite nicely. One thing I noticed right away is that it immediately starts to melt away makeup. I could definitely feel it breaking down my mascara right away without me having to put a lot of effort, which was quite nice. I could just feel the mascara melting in my fingers, and it didn't sting my eyes or burn my eyes. It was also capable of removing my lipstick, and then I went ahead and rinsed it off with water. It did emulsify quite nicely and it rinsed off super clean. No residue was left on my face, and as you can see, there is nothing around my eyes, so it did remove all traces of makeup. My skin felt super clean, but it didn't feel dry at all. It actually felt quite soft and moisturized. So yes, as you saw on the demo, it did remove all traces of makeup, including waterproof mascara, which I really appreciated, and the fact that it didn't sting my eyes at all was really nice. And to me, what really makes a cleansing oil effective, other than removing makeup, is whether it makes my skin feel very dry or it leaves a residue, and this did none of these. So in my opinion, this is a great cleansing oil. It does everything it claims on the bottle. Now let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the ingredients. This has a bunch of antioxidant and fatty acid rich oils such as safflower seed oil, olive oil, moringa seed oil. It's also got something called carrot root extract, which contains beta-carotene, aka provitamin A, which is an amazing antioxidant, but also carrot oil contains vitamin E and fatty acids, which in turn give it even further antioxidant and barrier repairing properties. It's also got sunflower seed oil, which is a great emollient that protects and enhances the skin barrier. So as you can see, it's got a lot of fatty acid rich oils that help to support the skin barrier, and that could explain why this oil is very effective at cleansing but yet doesn't leave the skin dry. The only ingredient that some people might not enjoy in this product is fragrance, and specifically it's got geranium flower oil, limonene, geraniol, and linalool. All of these are known allergens, so if you know you have allergy to any of them, you want to make sure to avoid this cleansing oil. Regarding the scent, I will say it's not my first choice, so if I were to be making this cleansing oil, I wouldn't be putting in this specific scent, but it's not overwhelming and it's not overpowering. You can only smell it initially, but as you work it into your skin, the scent kind of disappears. It smells a little bit floral, but also botanical, and that botanical or like green scent is the scent that I personally don't like, but as I said, it's not overpowering. On to my final thoughts. I do think this cleansing oil is amazing at removing makeup. So it does what it says it does. It doesn't dry out the skin. It removes all traces of makeup, and I would say it does last a long time because I don't know if it's showing on camera, but I have used it quite a bit. I would say at least I have used it 10 times. It doesn't look like I have used it 10 times. And if I were to compare this to a cleansing balm, I run through cleansing balms so quickly. Like a full-sized one, I would run through it within a month. But I can see myself having this for quite a while, even if I were using it every single day. So that is a good thing. Yes, it is up there in price, but there's something about cleansing oils that makes them last a lot longer than cleansing balms. I'm really enjoying it so far, and I do not regret picking it up, and I do see myself purchasing it again in the future. That is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support, and subscribe to my channel for my future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.